Zen Fountains, creating a peaceful home oasis. Discover the tranquility Zen fountains bring to your home, offering styles, installation tips, and therapeutic benefits for a peaceful oasis. Zen philosophy and decor uses minimalism and natural elements, and Zen fountains embody this with their calming water sounds and simple designs. The sound of flowing water from Zen fountains promotes mental well-being by reducing stress and enhancing calmness, a testament to water's psychological benefits. When choosing a Zen fountain, consider size, design, material, and sound, ensuring it complements your space and meets your aesthetic preferences. Explore top designs like the classic stone for a natural look, the modern minimalist for sleek spaces, the natural bamboo, the space-saving wall-mounted, and the versatile tabletop fountain. Installation may be a DIY task or require professionals, focusing on location, power supply, water quality, and winter care for maintenance. Enhance your Zen fountain's impact by integrating it with plants, lighting, and seating, creating a comprehensive sanctuary for relaxation and reflection in your home.